Hey, what's going on, everyone? I've got a 2001 Jeep Cherokee Sport 4-wheel drive. 4.0 automatic AC cruise, factory tow hook and skid plate package, rust-free Jeep. Very clean underneath. It's got a few dings and dents. Interior needs some scrubbing and cleaning. Needs an engine. The engine is junk. Someone removed the cylinder head. Nice body to start your build. Pretty nice under there. Fender flare's loose. It's got a cracked grille. Needs a header panel. Pretty clean engine compartment. Looks like it's missing a piston there. So if you're looking for a solid Cherokee XJ for your next project, this may be it. No financing, no trades. Show on up with a trailer and some cash and we can load this one up for you. Thanks for watching.